Ever looked at your bank account after a long week and wondered where all your money went? Like, seriously, it's like watching water disappear down a drain. You're not alone. Millions of us are in the same boat. But what if there was a way to turn those tiny, annoying microtransactions into something that actually grows? Something that might one day fund your dream vacation or even your retirement? Well, there is. It's called Acorns. But before you dive in, let's talk about what you actually need to get started. Building context. So, what exactly is Acorns? It's an investment app that basically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It's like having a tiny financial superhero working overtime for you. Pretty cool, right? But to harness the power of this tiny money-making machine, you'll need to meet a few requirements. Requirement 1, a smartphone or tablet. Let's face it, we're living in a digital age. If you don't have a smartphone or tablet, you might as well be living under a rock. Acorns is a mobile app, so you'll need one of these gadgets to get started. Don't worry if you're rocking an older model. As long as it can run apps, you're good to go. Requirement 2, a social security number. This one might seem obvious, but it's crucial. You'll need your social security number to verify your identity. It's a standard procedure for any financial app. Think of it like your digital passport to the world of investing. Requirement 3, a bank account. Acorns needs a place to pull your spare change from, and that place is your bank account. You'll need to link your checking account to the app. Don't worry, your money is safe. Acorns uses top-notch security to protect your funds. Requirement 4, a minimum initial deposit. To kickstart your investment journey, Acorns requires a small initial deposit. It's not a huge amount, but it's enough to get the ball rolling. Think of it as your first step towards financial freedom. Requirement 5, a willingness to learn. Investing can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Acorns simplifies the process, but having a basic understanding of investing can help you make informed decisions. There are plenty of resources online to help you get started. Additional considerations. While these are the basic requirements, there are a few other things to consider. Age. Most investment platforms, including Acorns, have age restrictions. You'll need to be of legal age to open an account. Citizenship. Acorns is primarily designed for U.S. residents. If you're from another country, you might have limited options. Financial goals. Before diving into Acorns, think about your financial goals. Are you saving for a down payment, retirement, or something else? Understanding your goals will help you choose the right investment plan. Wrapping up. So, there you have it. The requirements to start your Acorns journey aren't as daunting as they might seem. With a smartphone, social security number, bank account, a small initial deposit, and a willingness to learn, you can start turning your spare change into something more. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Don't expect to become a millionaire overnight. But with consistent contributions and smart choices, you can build a solid financial foundation for your future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.